Hi everyone, it's Grant here. So there was a lot of interest in the post I made yesterday about the coach and consulting fund on how you can get coaching and consulting clients using Facebook ads. And one of the people, Janine, asked me to shoot a video giving more of a thorough sort of walkthrough of the funnel I was talking about. So that's what this video is about. So basically, I'm going to try and keep this video short as possible because I know you guys are really busy. So I'm just going to walk you through the funnel, which is actually very simple, and show the ad that I use. So let's get into it. So basically, here's actually a funnel I personally used sort of to gather leads and get sort of discovery sessions for people who are interested in Facebook ads. So I'm just going to walk you through sort of like the messaging and why I said what I did. So basically, I'm just going to read you the headline. It says, free limited time case study. Discover how I launch, optimize and scale highly profitable Facebook ad campaigns up to and over $500 per day using the FOS Facebook ad framework. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm calling out to people who are only interested in scaling up their Facebook ad campaigns, because this is one of the biggest problems most people have with Facebook ad campaigns is they struggle to scale. So I knew it's a big problem. So I created a case study and a short training around this problem, so ultimately I can attract the right people and get them to book a call with me. So I just want to talk about the headline very quickly. So this is purely a benefit-driven headline, speaking to obviously the big result. You know, I'm speaking to people who potentially want to scale up and over $500 per day, and this is very important. This is my own unique framework I use to scale Facebook ad campaigns. This is kind of like my unique mechanism and kind of my big idea, because I want to differentiate myself from the market. So this is going to create sort of big curiosity and hope in my prospects for what I actually do is different and gets results. So that's kind of like the big idea for my headline and hook there, to get people to opt in. And it's a very minimalistic opt-in page. So basically here is just sort of like a blurb sort of saying, when I launch, optimize and scale a Facebook ad campaign for myself and my clients, this is exactly the same framework that I have used to scale campaigns up to and over $2,000 per day. This optimizing and scaling framework works whether you are new to Facebook advertising or you're seasoned Facebook ad pro. So it's a bit of just kind of like, you know, a little blurb from me just to reaffirm that what I'm teaching them works. So that's basically the landing page. Really simple. I find that really simple landing pages or opt-in pages work really well. And just to let you know, this opt-in page got about a 35 to 40% opt-in rate, and I was generating leads for $5 to $6, which is pretty good for a case study kind of video. So here, once people opt in, here is basically the thank you page. So basically I reaffirm the previous actions where I say, congratulations, watch the free FOS Facebook ad optimizing and scaling case study below. And there's basically the video that people can watch immediately. So they click this, and basically what I do is I thank them when they click on the video, tell them a little bit about me, sort of build my status, you know, give them a bit of background information to me, what I've done. And then basically I give them a very high level view of the process of how I scale up Facebook ad campaigns. And the whole point of this is to, you know, get people emotionally engaged, get them excited, and give them hope that obviously what I sort of do actually kind of works. And then basically what I do after I've taught, I bridge the gap and then basically say, you know, for those of you who want more help scaling their Facebook ad campaigns, click the button below and you can book a discovery call with me. And then basically what I've got here, this is exactly, you know, this is, so basically if someone clicks the video and want to book a call, they just click on this button. And all I've said here is, want my help scaling your Facebook ad campaigns? Book your free complimentary 30-minute discovery session by clicking the button below, fill out the short form, and I'll help you come up with a plan to optimize and scale your Facebook ads whilst producing a minimum 100% return on investment. If you click on this, basically it takes you to a form builder. I use Woohoo forms. So basically very simple form. Just ask for their name, email, bit of information, you know, what's their turnover, monthly ad budget, what their goals are, problems they're having, main problems they're experiencing, and basically what they want to achieve. And at the bottom, I want to qualify people to try and get the right people on the call. So I say which best describes you. If they're just curious, probably not that serious about getting my help, but obviously if they click one of these two, they're going to be pretty hot lead and they're going to be receptive to my services. Obviously, to minimize people who don't show up, I have this question here. Basically says, if I'm offered a complimentary discovery session, I will not waste anybody's time and I will show up. If they tick I don't agree, then I won't book a call with them. And then basically the last qualifying question I put is, would you be interested in Facebook ad coaching or fully managed service? If they click yes, then these guys booking a call are going to be a red hot lead. So what I'm going to do finally is just walk you through the ad that I ran for this funnel, and just sort of walk you through it. So basically, your ad is going to be incredibly important for the success of your funnel, because at the end of the day, if you're going out to cold traffic, none of these people know who you are, what you're about. They've no idea if you've got any authority at all. So basically, we've got to build a lot of authority, trust and rapport pretty quickly. And this is why your ad is so important. So what I decided to do is I actually wanted to give value in my ad. And there's actually basically I recorded a video sort of walking people through 3 really powerful optimization tips. And the reason why I did this was to give people a quick win, show people I know what I'm talking about, and to build instant rapport with me. So I'm just going to walk you through the ad very quickly. So basically what I said is, do you want free Facebook ad optimization knowledge bombs you can implement right away so you can generate even more leads and sales from your ads? Watch the short video below to find out what they are and how to implement them right away. So that is basically telling them I've got something really cool for you below in the video. And then I transition into my pitch for the case study. And then I say, and if you'd like to learn more about my internal processes of how I launch, optimize and scale profitable Facebook ad campaigns, then I recommend that you click on the link below and request my newly released case study. In my case study, reveal the FOS Facebook ad framework that I use to launch, optimize and scale Facebook ad campaigns up to and over $500 per day whilst generating a minimum 100% return on investment. I'm not going to read the rest, but basically I just sort of finish off the ad. And just very important as well at the end here, it says I put a PS, and basically what I'm actually saying, I'm being open and honest here that after the case study they can book a call, because what I want to do is, if there's people who really want help with their ads, I want them to let them know that they can book a call with me. And also I don't want to surprise people that obviously when they sort of request a case study that I'm pitching a call. I want people to make people aware that there's some kind of offer, after the case study, so people don't get annoyed, but also to let people know there's extra help there if they need them. So guys, that is basically how you put together a funnel using Facebook ads that can help you to acquire coaching and consulting leads on a consistent basis. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this short little video. If you've got any questions at all, post them in the comments below. And if you'd like to talk to me, and get my help of how you can use Facebook ads to generate more coaching and consulting clients, just hit me up in the comments below or direct message me, and we'll set up a call so that I can walk you through the process. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.